Enabling two-factor authentication 2FA on Brightcove beacon adds an extra layer of security to your account. Follow these steps to set it up effectively. Step 1. Log into your Brightcove account. Start by accessing your Brightcove account using your username and password. Make sure you are on a secure network to protect your login information. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings option, typically found in the upper right corner of the dashboard. Click on it to access various account management options. Step 3. Find security settings. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. Within the security settings, find the option to enable two-factor authentication. Click on it, and you may be prompted to enter your phone number or email address for verification purposes. Step 5. Complete the verification process. Follow the instructions provided to complete the verification process. This may involve receiving a code via SMS or email, which you will need to enter to finalize the setup. Once you have completed these steps, two-factor authentication will be enabled on your Brightcove account, enhancing its security. Regularly review your security settings to ensure your account remains protected.